Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this tricky math question. 5 minus 5 divided by 5 plus 5 into 5. If you have already solved this question, comment your answer. I will give them heart and reply your comment. And in the next step, I will solve step by step with PEMDAS rule. Okay. And this is exponential multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here what we can see: multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. These four operations will be given. So first we will do multiplication part, which is here. So we will write 5 minus 5 divided by 5 plus 5 times 5, which equals to 25. And multiplication done. So we will next divide part. Here division part is here like this. We will write 5 minus 5 divided by 5, which equals to 1 plus 25. Now what we can see, then addition. We can solve this in many ways, like 25. Here 25 have the positive value and 5 also have a positive value. So we can simply write 25 plus 5, which equals to 30, and minus 1, and our result will be 29. Okay, like this. Or simply 5 and 25 minus 1, which equals to plus 25, and which equals to ultimately 29. So here 29 is the right answer. And if you want to check out more health products for seniors, go in the description. Thanks for watching.